When you receive machine, you have to wear the protect glasses. The protect glasses, and this is a signal wire. This is a laser gun. There is button on the laser gun and the red point on the laser gun. This is the water channel to water chiller. And the emergency button, system button, water cooler. The laser button, screen. And this is a laser source and water chiller. This is an air tube. You can connect it with the compressed air or compressed argon gas. And this is the power wire. You need to collect the 380 volt. 3-phase electricity. Well, you need to add the water. Firstly, you need to open this. Open this cover. This is water in that. First, you need to add water in this place. Add water here around over this green area. Over this green area is okay. And this is water outlet. Well, most important, press the systems, water cooler, the laser. Turn on the switch of the laser source and press the start. Wait a minute. Then look at it. Press the laser start, the laser will be turned on. Now we can use it. The laser power is strong. You can contact iRay Sales Group to learn more.